Okay, you guys, I gotta show you this. I gotta show you what you can do with this white holographic glitter. Now, I recorded another video, right? And I actually took a part out of that video to put in this video because I kind of want to highlight what I was doing. All right. Now, this bottle right here is done with white holographic glitter. It has a white base coat and white holographic glitter. However, I did not rub this down. All right, so I just want you to see what it looks like with it not being rubbed down. Very pretty, very pretty. All right, now I'm gonna show you the next bottle. Boom. The same base coat. You guys, the same base coat, the same white holographic glitter. Only difference with this one and the other bottle is this one I rubbed down. So this is the white holographic glitter rubbed down. All right, let's go back to the first one. This is the white holographic glitter not rubbed down. Two completely different looks. Both very pretty. Very, very pretty. You can't really see what I see. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but I'm telling you, in person, it looks way better, you guys. But wait, I am not done. All of these bottles is made with the exact same white holographic glitter. Ain't that neat? Now I'm about to hold up. I'm about to explain a little bit. I'm gonna go dive a little bit deeper. This is a tan base coat with the white holographic glitter. And I just simply rubbed that one down. This is a pink base coat with the white holographic glitter. I did rub this one down. This one is rubbed down. Again, this one is with the pink base coat. This is also with the pink base coat, but I did not rub down the holographic glitter on this one. Okay, they look similar, but if you look in person, they have a different look. Very neat. And the coolest thing ever, I think, you can't even really, I wish I could see these in person. This is white holographic glitter on this one with the blue base coat. Very, very pretty. Very pretty in person. I'm telling y'all, it looks so good. Trying to get an angle so y'all can really see the little colors. The little colors coming through. It looks so good, you guys. But I just wanted to show y'all that. All the different looks that you can get with the white holographic glitter. All right. So, with that being said, y'all have a good one.